Welcome to JEE Maths Preparation 2026-27, where maths is explained simply, clearly, and step by step. Build concepts, not shortcuts. Now let's solve today's JEE Maths question. Today's JEE Main 2023 question is on integration by parts with multi-step evaluation. Integral x cube sin x dx equals gx plus c, where c is constant of integration, and we are given this equation involving alpha, beta, gamma, which are integers, and we have to find alpha plus beta minus gamma. JEE Main frequently pairs straightforward integration by parts of this type with a secondary system of equations like this one involving the derivatives of the integrated function. These are the derivatives of the integrated function. Let us see how to solve this. We can directly get g dash x by differentiating d by dx of this integral x cube sin x dx. By the fundamental theorem of calculus, g dash x will be this function itself, x cube sin x. We shall need g dash pi by 2 here. So let's find it. G dash pi by 2 equals pi by 2 cube sin pi by 2, pi cube by 8 into sin pi by 2, 1. So g dash pi by 2 is pi cube by 8. Next we need g pi by 2. For that we need gx, which can be found out by integrating this by using integration by parts. So gx equals integration x cube sin x dx. By applying integration by parts repeatedly, first function x cube into integration of sin x minus cos x minus derivative of x cube 3x square into minus 1 into integration of cos x sin x plus derivative of 3x square 6x into this minus 1 into integration of sin x minus cos x minus derivative of 6x 6 into this minus 1 into this minus 1 into integration of cos x sin x. This will be minus x cube cos x plus 3x square sin x plus 6x cos x minus 6 sin x. So this is gx. Next we shall need g pi by 2, which will be, since cos pi by 2 is 0, this will be 0 plus 3 into pi by 2 square. Sin pi by 2 is 1 plus, since cos pi by 2 is 0, this will be 0 minus 6. Sin pi by 2 is 1. G pi by 2 will be 3 pi square by 4 minus 6. Now we have got g pi by 2 equals 3 pi square by 4 minus 6. And here g dash pi by 2 equals pi cube by 8. Let us write it here. G dash pi by 2 equals pi cube by 8. Now we will substitute these values in this given equation. So that will be 8 into g pi by 2, 3 pi square by 4 minus 6 plus g dash pi by 2, pi cube by 8, which equals alpha pi cube plus beta pi square plus gamma 6 pi square minus 48 plus pi cube equals alpha pi cube plus beta pi square plus gamma. Comparing the coefficients of pi cube, alpha is 1, coefficients of pi square, beta is 6, and gamma minus 48. We have to find alpha plus beta minus gamma. That will be 1 plus 6 minus of minus 48. 48 plus 7, 55. Hence, the correct answer option here is A, 55. This one here. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep building strong mathematical thinking. And I will see you in the next JEE Maths tutorial. Until then, keep watching JEE Maths PYQs. Thank you.